Tit for tat. Once there lived a camel and jackal. They were good friends. They lived near a river. One day, the jackal came to know that there was a field of ripe melons across the river. He mouth watered, but he could not cross the river. He went to Camel and told him about the melons. The camel was also tempted to eat melons. He carried the jackal on his back and crossed the river. Both of them reached the field. They started eating the melons. The jackal started howling loudly. The owner of the field came running and started beating the camel. When the owner went away, the camel asked the jackal why he had howled. The jackal replied, "It is my habit to howl after a heavy meal." Both of them returned to the river. The jackal jumped on the back of the camel. When they were in the middle of the water, the camel began to roll in the water. The jackal said, "Why are you rolling in the water?" The camel replied, "It is my habit to roll in the water after a heavy meal." The jackal could hardly save himself. The lesson of this story is tit for tat. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.